Hi, I'm Dustin with Redline Stands and Redline Engineering. I'm here today to show you the TC450 tire changer, a couple of things about it, and go through a basic demonstration of how to break down and change a tire. This machine comes with a couple of things. It comes with some hard plastic feet that you can actually slip over the feet on the machine if you're trying to grab an aluminum rim, something like that, so you don't scratch it up. It also comes with a couple of replacement heads to go in into the arm, and it comes with a tire changing tool. To change a tire, I would recommend going to any parts store and getting a valve stem remover tool. These run about $1.50. So they're not very expensive, but they're very, very handy. They are a must. And having yourself a soapy water solution, this will make, again, all the difference in the world when it comes to changing a tire. The first thing that you want to do when it comes to changing a tire is take your valve stem removal tool and remove the valve stem. You never want to try and break a bead on a tire that's under pressure. What you want to do, this thing is under pressure right now, so when you take this valve stem out, what's going to happen is it's going to try and shoot it across the room. So keep a little bit of pressure on it, and you still got it right there handy. Go ahead and let it bleed all the way out, and take your soapy water solution, spray it around the rim right there, and what you're going to do is you're going to set it up against the machine here and use this bead breaker arm, and you want this to sit right there at the very cusp, right at the edge of the rim and the tire, and then press this center pedal. And you can see it went ahead and broke the bead all the way around. Sometimes it doesn't do that, so you want to make sure that you do get the bead broke all the way around. This is really more important for getting the tire back on the rim, but it's just a good habit to get into. See, it didn't break it on this side, so we're going to go ahead and go after it. This machine also, I don't know if you can see it here or not, this little white tub, that's actually what that is for, is to put your solution or some grease in there with a little swab, so it's pretty accessible. All right. We're not going to use the feet, the covers on this today. What we do is we run it all the way in, and we set the tire down on top of it, and you can see when I depress the pedal, it jumps out and it'll grab it on the inside of the rim right here. So we're going to run it back in, set the tire on there with the valve stem up, and grab a hold of it. Then swing it into place. I've already got the screw dialed into where I need it. Take the arm, run it down good. Then you want to take your tire change tool, and this little lip right here of the arm, I don't know if you can see it or not, but this is where you want to grab. You want to get the tire tool in there under the bead and pop it over it like that. Hold on to it when you go to hit your button and spin it, because it'll try and jump out of there if you don't. Okay, now that it's up, this one came up pretty easy. They don't always do that. Sometimes you might have to wrestle it, but this one came up pretty easy, luckily for me. We're going to do the same thing, but now with the bottom part of the tire. Again, spin it. Let the machine do all the work. Now, you're ready to take the tire off. Put your new tire on. In this case, we're going to be using the same tire just for a demonstration. So get your soapy water solution, or if you have some grease, this will make it go on a lot easier. Again, hit it with the solution. We're going to reset the arm and let the machine do all the work. Sometimes you have to struggle with it a little bit and mess with it. Hopefully this won't be one of those times. Jumped on there nice and easy. Now, take and replace the valve stem. And we're going to reset the bead. When you reset the bead, make sure that your fingers, your hands are away from the rim, because it's going to pop out and you'll see it. You'll actually be able to probably hear it better than you can see it. Take the little tool here, the little hose, hook it on there, and there's a pedal on the other side over here you can't see. Press it. There she goes. It's trying. There you go. Then take and air it up to the proper specifications on the tire. Again, this is the TC450 tire changing machine. To see more of this, visit us online at redlinestands.com. You can call us at 901-351-4764 or email sales@redlinestands.com for a ship quote. We appreciate you taking the time to watch our video.